So today we will discuss about the Industry 5.0. Maybe most of you are saying what is the Industry 5.0? It's just a word to convince the people. No, it's not actually. We will discuss what does mean 5.0 for us also. And also today, what will we discuss with this all-in-one solution? How we can reduce your pain at the shop floor. Each company has challenges at the shop floor. So you have a lot of resource, how you will use all of them efficiently. It's a point. Another one, you have a lot of constraints. Even many companies say our production is different and we have different constraints. It's big challenge. No matter how sector by sector, how we can manage based on the constraints. In the end, another big problem, big challenge, there are a lot of delay at your production. So you are not able to deliver on time. Sometimes you are producing a lot and then you are not able to manage your warehouses. So there is no balance. So with a just-in-time production, how you can do it, how you can apply just-in-time production. We will discuss also this one. And then the other part, visibility. I heard a lot of times from many meetings, the clients say, we have a mesh solution collecting data, but with the mesh solution, they are not able to see their online work order. This is one thing. And they have a lot of manual process also. And then all of them is still not visible. So this is not a digitalization. And based on the latest research, who has a mesh solution? Only 27% of mesh solution has a digitalization. Unfortunately, because it's only just collecting data. So we will today separate collecting data is different things, and manufacturing execution system with full digitalization is different things also. Then there are a lot of other points. Everybody, if you are coming from the production facilities and if you have experience already with the manufacturing, you can guess a lot of manual and time consuming process. You have a lot of supply chain. Yeah, you have some cooperation companies. They have to produce, they have to deliver on time, and then you are waiting for this component, then you will continue your production. So we can count based on the different sector, different challenges. Some challenges are more in some sector, some of them in another sector is more highlighted. So today we will discuss about advanced planning scheduling, intelligent supply chain planning. It's not like MRP. By the way, I just want to tell advanced planning scheduling, it's not an MRP. If you want to also see the difference, I can tell. What is the MRP and what is difference MRP and ERP? And what is the difference MRP with advanced planning scheduling, APS, and what is the difference supply chain planning? If there are some SAP users, in SAP, its module calls as a intelligent business planning. So this is supply chain planning optimization actually. And also PPDS is called in SAP, it's called here APS module. We have also labor scheduling. We have full digitalized manufacturing execution system, maintenance system, smart warehouse, advanced quality, so on. But it's not only just this part. We have extra today also, I will mention about another part for the module. We just put the presentation in traceability. So I will show also some pages related with the traceability. So traceability for the stock warehouse, not only traceability for the production, quality, yes, traceability for purchase and your supplier, yes. So it's a full manufacturing traceability. Also, we will discuss. What else we will discuss today? This is the very important point actually. AI drive. Right now, everybody's talking with AI, especially when the ChatGPT comes to our life. Now, everybody's saying, yeah, we are using AI. Yes, with the ChatGPT. But here, how we can apply the AI to industry for the manufacturing companies. I will give some example also how you can do it with a simple way. You can apply the AI, and then in the end, what you will do? You can, basically, most of companies are using AI for the predictive maintenance. This is one thing. Yes, if you find some anomalies from the sensor. But another point, how you can optimize complete process. What is the complete process? If you are producing, for example, the oil from the refinery, from the seed part The final product, you have a lot of process, a lot of mixing process, so a lot of tank. So how you can manage? It's still mass project, and still we can optimize the whole process. So this part also we can discuss more.